we're back down again. Peter Hugg joins us this very volatile Tuesday in the metals market. Peter, good to see you again.
You're welcome, Daniel.
Peter, I know we're both battling cold, so we'll try and get through this, but let's look at what's happening in the metals market this Tuesday. After gold's wonderful rally on Monday, the metal is back down this Tuesday. How do you make sense of what's happening here, Peter?
Well, I think this all started Sunday night. Most of the analysts attributed it to the no vote in Switzerland, which I don't think was the reason that gold dropped. I think the reason that gold dropped on Sunday night, and it was a crazy market. Silver went from 1570 down to 1415 in the space of a half an hour, and then bounced back up. And by the time we came in, opened unchanged, and yesterday we got the rally into the 16s, which is continuing today with silver well bid at 1640. And what happened, I think, Sunday night was with the oil price dropping after Friday. Thursday and Friday were such thin markets that with the oil price drop of $7 on Friday, continuing into Sunday night, oil was going down and testing very crucial support level of 64. And I think the reason for the sell-off in the metals was I think there were some large index funds that are commodity based, and with oil dropping, I think they just had to rebalance, and part of that rebalancing affected the metals, and that's why you saw the spike down.
And Peter, you really beat me to my next question, because oil prices at the lowest level in 5 years. How much of a role is it playing in impacting precious metal prices?
Oh, I think oil had everything to do with Sunday night's move. I don't think the Swiss no vote. I do not know one trader that expected the Swiss to vote yes. And even a no vote might have had some small psychological impact from the perspective of maybe a $10 drop, but certainly not what we saw Sunday night. But when oil got to 64 overnight on Sunday, the buyers came in and bought support, bounced the oil market back up. We saw the rally yesterday back up to 69, and that took the metals right along with it as people scrambled to cover their shorts, their aggressive shorts, and the index funds had to get back in and rebalance on the upside. It's a very, very thin and volatile market. Now this morning we have oil down again. It looks like gold wants to break 1200. It's broken it twice, but silver is well bid here. So there may be something else behind this story. And what I suspect it may be, and nobody has really played this up, was Moody's downgrade of Japanese debt on Sunday night. I mean, I consider that a fairly significant story. We're talking the third largest economy in the world being downgraded. That's a pretty significant event, and nobody's talking about it. And I think that might be an underlying support for the metals here, at least from the Far East.
That is an interesting point, Peter. And looking again at gold prices, they are sharply lower this Tuesday and have given back about half of Monday's strong gains. Peter, what is an investor to do with the volatility we're seeing? And I know you've said it repeatedly in the past. Look, it's really different between an investor versus a trader, right?
Well, as an investor, I mean, again, you've really just got to stay the course here. And again, the key to a long-term investor in metals is, again, recalibrating your portfolio every 6 months. For traders, nobody saw this on Sunday night. I mean, I spoke to every desk yesterday, and I can tell you there was nobody that seemed to be in good spirits. I mean, I think everybody got hammered Sunday night, and right now they're just sort of buying and covering their positions as they go. Right now, this market is very uncertain. Looking at the oil, you would suspect that some selling pressure should come in here and start the downtrend again, especially with the much stronger dollar overnight. But the metals are holding, so the traders are very, very cautious here. Anything that to suggest a turnaround in oil could take this gold to a level in the 1220s.
Well, it looks like we'll have a wild ride in prices from now until year end. Peter, thanks so much for joining us.
Yeah, you're welcome, Daniela.
And thanks for watching this edition of For Pete's Sake. We'll see you Wednesday.